No talking. Oh, hi. Hey, it's Ember. And we're gonna do a what I eat in a day video today. So we're starting by breaking my fast. It is 8:15 in the morning. Already did a cardio workout this morning. I taught a 5:15 turbo kick class, which kicked my butt. And then came home, got my kids up ready for school, and now it's time for some breakfast before I do my leg workout with Darren. So breakfast is 1/4 of a cup dry steel cut oats, cooked, obviously, 1/2 cup of blueberries, an orange container of pumpkin seeds, so I don't know, I guess that's like 2 tablespoons maybe, and some of these sweet drops. So I put that in to add a little sweetness, and I think that's it. So that's breakfast, and then I will check in after my leg workout with my smoothie recipe because I'm gonna have a protein shake after my leg workout, so I'll see you later, bye. All right, so it is 9:30 now. Just finished my weight workout. And we're gonna have our protein shake. I just wanted to show you the rain. It's raining like crazy. Hubby's leaving for work. See ya. Thankful we got to work out this morning together. Got our leg workout on. It was not easy. Now he's off to work, and we're gonna go make a shake. All right, so we're making my protein shake. I usually do about 2 shakes a day and kind of mix it up between the stuff. So this is how I freeze my bananas. I'll buy a whole bunch of it. Sometimes I'll buy a case, and I'll let them ripen up, and then once they're ripe, I'll peel them and put them on a cookie sheet with some parchment paper. And then I just kind of break them up and store them in a container like this and put a lid on it and put it in the freezer. So I'm gonna put about 2 bananas in my shake, and I'll be back once we get ready to blend. Okay, so we're gonna get to blending. What I did was about a handful or a cup of spinach, 2 bananas, about a cup of almond milk, a 1/2 scoop of chocolate vegan Shakeology, and a full scoop of this Quest protein. So I'm gonna blend that up, but first I wanted to show you, because this morning I had oatmeal, I went ahead and prepped enough for 4 more days. So I'll go ahead and mix together the nuts and stuff that I wanna put in that, and maybe come back and show you, but that'll be breakfast for the next 4 days. But I'm gonna make my smoothie, and it'll be so yummy. How could I possibly forget? We're gonna do a tablespoon of almond butter in the smoothie. Look how thick and delicious that looks. Yeah, I like to eat my shakes, so that's gonna be yummy. Ooh, it's like ice cream, froyo, but so good for you. What's up, party people? It is about 12:30. I am packing up, I guess this is a snack. I measured out a cup of blueberries, about a 1.5 cups of grapes, some blackberries, and a cup of mangoes. So I'm gonna eat this in the car because I have to go pick up my kiddos for some appointments. So we're gonna eat this in the car and take some water with us. Hey you guys, I'm back. It is 3:15. I got my younger 2 out of school. We went to a doctor's appointment, and I showed you my fruit. It took me, I didn't finish all of my fruit, so I still have a little bit more to go. But we had to go sit in the doctor's office forever. And then after that, the kids were hungry, and I had a gift card, so I had to go to Chipotle and got myself a burrito. And I didn't eat all of it because you know how they are, they're huge. But don't think for a second that I couldn't sit there and finish the whole thing, but I could have. But I didn't because I wanted to show you guys, because I'm tracking everything that I'm eating today, and my phone was dead, so I couldn't video it. So this is what's left of my burrito, and I just do the veggie burrito because I don't eat meat. But I got the white rice, black beans, tomatoes. Doesn't look very appetizing right now. But I got black beans, white rice, the veggies, the pico, so tomatoes. I just don't get any of the dairy, so I don't do sour cream, I don't do the cheese. I get salsa, guacamole, and that's in the corn. And that's pretty much it. So lots of veggies and lots of carbs. But that's what I'm eating now. I'll finish the rest of this in a little while, and probably my fruit as well. And then I'll check back in later for dinner. It is almost 6 o'clock now and time for dinner. I really try to eat all of my calories or consume all of my calories within an 8 to 10 hour window depending on the day. So if you're familiar with intermittent fasting, then you know what I'm talking about, or you can just Google it, but trying to eat everything within an 8 hour window. So did all right today. This is my last meal of the day, and it is my healthiest meal of the day. It is the same smoothie recipe that I did it this morning, except for I did half of a scoop of the Quest protein and a full scoop of the chocolate vegan Shakeology, and I added chia seeds. And it's super thick, and it's got some high fiber, high protein granola in there. It's like ice cream, and it's perfect for me late at night or in the evenings whenever I'm really snacky and I want something sweet. This is perfect. I entered everything that I ate today, including the Chipotle, into MyFitnessPal, and I'm right about 2,900 calories for the day. So not quite to my goal of 3,000. So whatever, it's just 100 calories is really not that big of a deal. But it's really hard to get 3,000 calories in. I even ate a 1,000 calorie burrito from Chipotle and still didn't get to 3,000. So if I wouldn't have gone to Chipotle today, I would have came home and made some kind of Mexican dish, whether it was a huge taco salad or a wrap or something like that. So I love my Mexican food, and I try to get it in every single day if I can. So tonight I will finish this shake, and then I'm going to jump on a video conference call with my best friends and homies, my coaches on my Fired Up Fit team, and then wrap it up and call it a night. So that's Monday for me and everything that I ate today. So if you enjoyed watching this really long, boring, in my opinion, video of what I ate in a day, then give it a thumbs up, and maybe I'll do this again sometime. But thanks for watching, and I'll check with you later.